Yup. How about we start this show, guys? On this beautiful day. On this beautiful Wednesday. Welcome to you, episode of Lunch and Friends, who's ready for some game development. Yay! What are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do today, guys? Today, we will continue on Just Shapes and Beats, as usual, because I had to deliver that game. Pronto! Allez, lachune. Give us that game. So, yeah, today we'll continue just on that, guys. As usual, I'll keep on converting everything from Flash to Unity. This morning I kept working on my tools once again, and again. And, you know, we get it closer all the time. Sorry, this morning I worked up with the text fields. The text fields are done and also made the sounds. So the sounds are done as well. And we got a new follower already. Regex is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. And I believe we have one more. Yes! Iron Fang following the channel. Welcome aboard. Okay, so how about we start this? For example, today even more swearing at Visual Studio. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, presentation! A new sub! A new sub already? Skelex has joined the battle! Thank you very much, my friend. Skelex762 joined the battle. Thank you so much. Here's a little chest for you guys, by the way. So much gadget. So much stuff. Today. Come on, presentation. Come on. What's up? Is it broken or just like there's a shit ton of people? Oh, there we go. Alpine Imp, Balance Synth is saying, I like cheese. How about we put the music a little bit more, more present. There you go. Mega Man X, let's put it there. There we go. Zori and I is saying, do the sexy Thompson dance. Betty Delora, BM Davis is saying, Latches Love. Fire Shard is saying, Pizza. eBay91, whoa. Telmec, Trump 88 for bacons and pancakes. Durumply, Brian Luck, Emily, look at you. Yamion, V-Girl, Ursabot is saying, beep bumps the top of your chest yet? Donix, Tommy Bob, the bad user, Stimpy, Skip to Play, Skelex, a new one for the code. Rocka, Novikov is saying, all the hype for all the things. Invisible Clown, K, Mr. Troy D saying, yeah! The Iron Horse, oh, look at your face, man. Starter Spike, it's Julmus time again. Sweet. By the way, Midi, veux-tu aller chez Marc ce soir? On va gearser encore. Ça tente pas de nous voir deux gars gearser, ou ben ça tente de gearser avec nous autres. Come on! Derumply! Let's join the battle! Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Derumply, man. 2 subs already. I haven't looked at the code yet. Damn! People wants to punch people today. I wonder why. Maybe some I just went to Facebook this morning and oh boy, people are mad. Hey, that make me laugh. I laugh at people's misery because I'm a terrible person. I'm a terrible human being. Hang on. Boop boop boop. Where is Unity? Unity, where are you? Chop chop. There you are. There we go. Unity, you go there. Close. And you go there as well. Alright. Voila. So. Am I here? Yeah, voila. Okay, so next in line. I'm still looking at my code. By the way, guys, look at that. I've worked this morning on a lot of little tweaks here and there, little problems. I went to the pixel. Emily, you would have been proud of me because the stuff were off by 2 pixels. And I'm not kidding. It was actually literally 2 pixels off. And I was like, something's wrong in here. I zoomed in and was like, yeah, that's off. And I went back to my tools, tried to find that bug that made stuff 2 pixels off in certain condition. and I found it and I squished the bug and now it looks more clean. So look at that, 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 look at that. Yeah! Look at that! Even the text field flash as well. You can see it, the text field is there. That text field here is a little bit too small though. I will have to find a way to fix that. Let me show you the equivalent in Flash. If I go in Flash and do Control Enter. Hey Monkey Man, how you doing, man? That is the Flash equivalent. Boom! And then it stops, but yeah, you know the idea. So, yeah, this one looks very, very clean. And then I press enter, and the things are in the background, still there. And it, again, it takes 0 memory footprint. I'm very, very, very happy about that. So, yeah, I'm doing like one class at a time. I have put all the sounds are back now. They're all working and everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this UI main menu, and we're gonna do kind of you know, as we usually do. We just convert stuff from AS to C#. I know it's very boring work, but I promise you that this morning I didn't just switch the code. I actually made stuff. I take the brainless job at the end of the day. So stuff like this, where I just convert my C# and everything, I do that at the end of the day, because at the beginning of the day I'm way more focused. So if I have new bugs and new really deep shit that I need to fix, I keep that for the morning. For the rest of the day I'm more like, man, I just want to relax and do some really brainless job. So there we go. We're gonna try to do that today on Lighting Friends. By the way, we don't have any interview today, guys. We don't have any interview because I doped. And, fuck. There we go. We just found something that I need to find out how to do it. That will take a lot of time. Invisible Clown is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so how the hell can I fix this shit? I will need to make another Regex that does that thing here. What? Okay. Okay, like this. This could not be found. Well, my friend, I just created it. So it's right over there. What else? Boo da doo ba doo. Da dee da da. La dee da doo. La lee la loo. La lee la loo. Can someone lend me their time machine so I can go to the future and get just ships and bees, please? Can I use that same time machine, please? No interview means more coding. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Down, down. Da dee da da. The wingers got away. I think I have to close Visual Studio for some reason that I don't know. So yeah. I knew that was coming. So Trump won. We're fucked. Have you seen the article on College Humor? You just take a bunch of articles that Trump wins and just said fuck, fuck, fuck everywhere. I am very speechless on what the hell happened. But in the end, like, I also laugh. Because I also laugh at people who says like, oh my god, everything will burning and everything will like explode and crash. It's like, no, not gonna happen. If he wants to do something, he's not alone. So it's gonna take way more time. Like if he wants to do one thing, it's still bureaucrats. It's gonna take a shit ton of months plus people to convince plus blah blah blah. It's still politics in the end, and in politics stuff move very slow. Very, very slow. Very, very slow. So I don't think we're all gonna die tomorrow. I don't think so. In the end, there's an excellent video, by the way, guys. There's an excellent video by CGP Grey about rulers. You should all go check this out. That in this, if you don't feel good about the recent, you know, the ending, the recent result of the election. If you don't feel good about it, go watch that. And, you know, you'll see that in the end, no rulers rules alone. Meaning, there has still have like a bunch of people, a bunch of staff, not some of them. It's still gonna be the same kind of people under the guy. So in the end, meh. Meh. I may be wrong, maybe I'm wrong. But I know that I like to laugh in those situations. So meh. Meh! Alright. What if I do this? Is it like application? Quit. Wow. Woo, wow. I think the scope is not used anywhere, right? Way! Woo! Damn! Thank you very much, man. Thank you so much. Life lesson with Latch. Thank you, man. Put no in there. Yeah, I like to laugh at all those stuff. Maybe I'm a terrible human being, but there's a lot of stuff that adults says that make me laugh. A lot of people just, in the end, just like they are on their big grounds and their big words saying like we need to unify and do stuff and because everything will go down, blah 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 blah. We need to do whatever the fuck you want. And then in the end, they are just crying for attention. Why the fuck I am not able to go get that anymore? That button doesn't work? Or is this one? La la dee da. Is my window button not work? I think so. Yeah, the window button doesn't work on my new keyboard. Beautiful! Beautiful! $100 for that keyboard and the Windows button doesn't work. Yay! Happiness! Okay, here. Version info. Nope. Version info. La 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 la. Hang on. Okay, so here. Here. Voilà. Die. You. Flash to Unity. AS to CS. Voilà. Now, wow, la 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 la. Gears hosting us, thank you very much. Yeah, if there's one thing is I can't wait for the new South Park episode. I cannot wait to see what they're gonna see. To see what they're gonna say. I cannot. SSG Blue KO can Super Saiyan Blue KO can multiply by 10. My God, the Bull Marco is ready to attack you. How you doing, the Bull Marco? Oh wow, 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 wow. Hello. La 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 la. Is that it? Okay, apparently. La 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 la. Yeah, I need to do something for that. Okay, so how do I do getter, by the way? Is it like this? I don't know how to do getters. Do I do it like this? Ah. Okay, so I need to remove those. So that will be a getter. What's wrong with you? I need another one. Why do I need 3? How about 2? Ah, Dan Drummer is hosting the channel. Yeah. Okay, so menu base has a shit ton of stuff, and now before I go on, I actually have to find a way to fix that. So can I put everything in comment, please? Yay! I can. Beautiful. So I just want the stuff to be compiled again. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing here then. Boot and boot. Okay. Something else in my tools that I have to do that I completely forgot. UI base doesn't work? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna destroy you. Brrr. Boom. And I'll destroy you too. Bye-bye. You're out. Alright. So this, go back to Unity like this. Actually, I have a very cool little contract for Mr. GS from Chance Awesome. Oh, nice. Sweet. Did he talk to you yesterday about it? Is that new? Sounds interesting, my friend. Okay, can I do play? Yeah, okay, so that thing is back. Woohoo! Brian Luck, thank you very much for the bits. Thanks for the bits. Okay, so version info, no, not here. It's actually in the other code, right over there. Okay, F2U wizard. I'm probably gonna have, oh, you know, a new chest. Pick it up, it's yours. Okay, okay, AS to CS motherfucker here, good. So I'm gonna remove this, remove that as well. Put, voila. Put. Okay, so now if I need something like this now, what are all those stuff? Endel constructor, yeah, I tried something like this. Endel var type switch, good. I will have to do the other one before all this though. Yeah. Result equal Endel getter. Z. I want to say like flash getters. Ah, I know. Endel display object getters. That is totally just for me. Hello. Okay. So, I need something like this. And, what the fuck? I probably need another Regex now. And that make me pukes a bit. because I don't like regex, and I think that nobody likes regex either. Line will go there and then convert var name. I will do convert display object getter, something like this, and I will put that. That was a weird sentence, and I will put that over there. Okay. Now, guys, the trick is, if you can help me out with this as well, that will be very awesome, guys. I need to convert this line into something like this. Yeah, I think that will be it. And I don't know how to do it. I can remove like function get. I need to find the type. I could. Okay, maybe I can do it without regex actually. Yep. Yeah, fuck it. Let's do it without regex. Ha 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 ha. Good. Okay, so first, if line index of public function get, like this, is equal and -1, just return the line. Just like this. What's your problem? Yeah, whatever. Okay, so now what I can do is var a1 is equal to my split of line and this. Yeah. Also, yeah. No, okay. So I'll see if the return is on the same line. So if return is not on the same line as well, I do that. Because if it's not on the same line, for example, if it's like this, I will have to put another brackets like this at the end, which I don't have access to in this current line. So fuck that. I'll just do it like this, because anyway, I don't do getter at all. I don't use getters. Okay, so this, and by the way, what is var? Can I use explicit type? Yeah, sweet. Like this, and now if a line length is wider, is below 2, return line. Okay, now I need the second one. This a1, and I'll put the brackets in. Voila, and now here I'll say string class name is equal to a1 0. Actually, that should be it. And then I need this is equal to trim, not term, trim, like this. So that will be the class name. And now what I can do is return public. Bam! Something like this. What the fuck? Last name, thank you. Ah, I need this as well. Ah, I can just replace it though. Will that be good? It should. No, usually I don't change that. Yeah, fuck it. Let's do it very quickly, and if there's a problem, let's fix it up later on. So, line. Okay, I know. Yeah, actually I can remove that. Ah, no, I cannot, okay. Yeah. Okay, so I need a name. Okay. Say like name of display object. Whoops. Name of display object. Is there a new chest, by the way? No, not yet. Nash, I can't link my Patreon on the stream RPG. Fuck that fucking fucker. Hang on. Which one did you pay? I'm gonna manually do it on my side. Let me do something really quick. So I'm not sure if I do stuff. Yeah, what pledge do you have, Mr. Balancent? What is the pledge that you have? I'm gonna put you at the correct one. And I'm gonna assume that you don't cheat and you actually say the right thing. Name, okay. Yeah. Voila. Okay, so that's the line. Come on. String. Line in CS. Old value will be equal to class name. New value will be equal to class name. Same thing with this and this. And let's return the line in CS. And yeah, we'll always love you. No. Okay, so I'll say like quotes. Quotes will be line, and I'll just do this. And that should be quotes in 1. So I really don't know if that does it. But we'll see. We'll see. $15 Elijah. Okay. Boop, boop. And you are Bananacint. Just don't want to do any problem. There you go, my friend. Let me restart my my RPG so it also counts on my side. But your name shall be in the Hall of Fame now. Let me see. I can check on my side. Over here. Whoops. Balancent! You're right over there. Woo! So you should be good, man. Yeah, the freaking link is that the Patreon gives us the amount of people. By the way, thank you very much. Very appreciated. Patreon doesn't give us the amount of the Patreon that hasn't paid yet. So you can like actually said, yes, I'm gonna pay you, but the way that Patreon works is they charge people at the end of the month, I believe. So they just returning us people who already paid or something like that. So there's a delay. That's in the end. There's a delay between between the you know, between the API and what you actually did. But you know, if there's any problem, just let me know. I can manually do it like this. That's why we did all that shit, because we can manually fix that issue. And now I really think that we should go with a game wisp so we can fix that stuff up. But you know, first of all, I have to fix I have to fix this. I have to finish Just Ships and Beats before everything. Da 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 da. Well, that you. I have paid. I was waiting to see if it was fixed when I was charged. Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, it just doesn't work. Fuck it. We're gonna have to do it manually until I think I'm gonna do like a little message on Patreon saying, hey, contact us and we'll add you up manually. Okay, UI main base. Let's do main base, for example. AS to CS, I forgot to do the thing. Whoopsie. Whoops. Whoopsie. Okay, main menu base. I'm pretty, look at me. I'm pretty. You sure are pretty, my friend. That is foreground. UI main menu base. Where are you? Here. Get the fuck out. Thank you. And I forgot something very stupid. Right over there. I forgot those. Play cam chat and follow is also. Thank you very much for those. Alright. Straight out. Okay, so that's not what I wanted to do. What I wanted to do is this, this and AS to CS. Did it work? Did it? Yay-ish! Ah, yeah, I need to cast it. Ah, so I thought I didn't have to cast it, but I do have to cast it. Alright then. Destroy! Boom! You're out. Next, let's go back to F2U something. F2U Wizard. Wow. Class name, please cast that shit. Let's go back to Unity. Compiling. No. Okay, there you go. Flash AS to CS. Boom. Let's go back and check it out. That sounds lovely. I think I have to put some dough. Probably just 2. Yeah, I'll put 2. That's probably always 2. What am I doing? Wow, F2U, where it is? F2U Wizard, yeah, thank you. So I'll just put like this. Whatever. You're out. Get out. Thank you. Yo, dash time with chess. Boom. There we go. Take it up, it's yours. Reload, please. La 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 la. Wow 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 ba ba ba. Yay! Look at that. So what's your problem? Use expression body. Yeah, that thing, right? I really don't like that. That's a weird way to do stuff. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I don't trust this. It probably works. It probably works like all the time, but it's just like not clean at all. It's like, what the fuck is it doing? I don't know. It will be, it won't talk to me. Talk to me, damn it! Okay, so text width here. That's something that it's not. Okay. Implemented. I only found the text width somewhere, but it has to be calculated somehow, so I don't know. Let me see something. If I go into display renderer here, that'll do, that'll do. Here, boop. UI text, this text width, no, it's text. Text width is equal to this. That's probably not gonna work anyway. The width over there is different than the width. Yeah. And I don't like it anyway. So the text width will always return 0 for now. Okay, let's go back to this. Yeah. La 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 la. So let me see here. Does it work? That was good. So that has to go there. Yeah, I need to read the next line in order to put that there. Yeah, and that's a problem. Ubase, boom. Give it to me, baby. Would that be good? I keep doing the UI base thing, fuck. Not the UI base, but the See ya, Brian Loke, by the way. Lash coding goes better with the gals teams, yeah, I know, right? How you doing, man? Brian, by the way. Slow down your kids. How is it doing? How is it going? It's been a while we haven't talked, actually. I was supposed to talk to you every 2 weeks or so about some vitals and everything. But then I didn't keep my promise. I didn't talk to you every 2 weeks and say what's up with some vital. I did not keep my promise. What am I? I'm an asshole. I'm a terrible human being. That's me. Okay, what if I do here? Yeah, I need to put another one there. Although... What if... Oh, it has to be like this, right? Is it like this? Wasn't it like this? Or it has to be like this? La 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 la. Wow. I'll just do it manually, and then I just want to see how it is. Okay, but I probably cannot put that on the second line. And anyway, I will have the, yeah, that should work. But yeah, that's ugly in a way. All right, good. Let's put it like this. Boom. New button tuto. New button tuto. How about I just fucking do them all? Bam. Not this one. It's already done. Bam. Flash to Unity. Boom. Let's do it. La 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 la. Even the Zombios subreddit can escape the Flash is dead meme. Oh. Oh. I want to see that. Yesterday, Flash suddenly stopped working in Chrome. As did ABP. If I as well, assume that it's unrelated to anything Missouri is doing, but the major nuisance is. Yeah, again. Again, Flash is so dead, right? Flash is so dead. They won't remove Flash like this. I don't think so. Yep, it's Joe and Will. Okay. It's Joe and Will. Yeah, we tweet about somebody on the regular. Okay, cool. I talk with Etienne all the time. You kept your promise. Ah, sweet. We need a new acronym for FGL now. Yeah, right? It's gonna be like, I don't know. Flash is not dead. L. Games. Flash is working in Unity. Flash confirmed dead. There we go. There we go. Even if they fucking stop supporting it in all the browsers, confirm, and everything like doesn't work, bam, like this, I'm most likely still gonna work with Flash, the animation tool anyway. That's for sure. That is for sure. It will take me a shit ton to convert me from Flash to another animation tool. So even if it's not supported in browser, I believe that our workflow is still good for us. And I'm gonna have people telling me otherwise all the time anyway. But after talking with other after talking with other game devs as well, I just saw that a lot of people are not using the standard way, like the Unity tools, for example, which is good. You know, Unity is good. I'm not saying Unity is bad, but I'm not saying it's the only solution, and it's like you should use that, otherwise you're stupid. It's just that, for example, Behemoth, the guys that I really you know, inspired by those guys. They use their own engine. Same thing with, you know, we had an interview with the Viking Squad guys. You know, Slick Entertainment. Same thing. Same thing. Oh, I don't have that? Okay, so Flash. That's in Lash. I don't have Flash, okay. Can I do just like copy and paste? Probably not, right? Nope. Can you open an Explorer, please? Don't I have that? Quick explore. Ah, yeah, good. So this. You go there, please. Oh, come on. There. Good. No? Still not? Damn it. Here. Please. Alright, finally. You, Flash to UT, AS to CS. Beautiful. Next! You, button group, you're saying stuff. La 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 lila. La lila, la lila. La lila, la lila, la la. La 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 la. Fucking use of brackets. I always see Lash Creepy as a different way to sing. Hey, I don't see if it's creepy at all. Yeah, Lash Creepy can sound like a kappa. I don't know how I made that face. I don't know. Which the new keyboard I hear. Yes, wow. Congrats on that, on catching that. But yeah, I just got a new keyboard. This one. This one has some fancy feature. Look at that. I can do like this. Everything is light up. Ooh. And also I can do something very creepy. Not creepy, but this. Woo! Woo! All the buttons that I press. Oh my god, they're all getting... Hang on. Control N. Ooh, an amazing feature that does nothing. Like, who will get that? I mean, why lighting it after you pressed it? It just looks cool. I'm gonna say it. It looks cool. It is, though. Ah, come on. Build solution. Can it program by itself? No, pass. There you go. Nice logo. Sell out! Damn it. Okay, what about now? Oh, is there anybody here who code in Unity and not in Visual Studio? Like, do anybody here work with MonoDevelop? Because Visual Studio is kind of... I'm not impressed. I am not impressed. Most of the time I have to restart it. It's always... there's a couple of times where it goes like... And I've changed a lot of stuff, so it's, you know, the brackets, the formatting and everything. I made all that because that's not on the APIs. That's not on the IDE fault. You know, that's me not knowing the IDE. So I'm not gonna blame VS for that. You know, for not being like Eclipse, for example. But I'm not impressed by the I'm not impressed by the you know, having to do attach to Unity that here. Having to... What? Destroy? I don't have destroy here? I should have destroy. I have destroy over there. So what's your problem? R? Ah, destroy here is a small D. No, that's a big D, okay. But there is a small... Okay, let's speak of this. Alright. But yeah, like a couple of times also, it's slow. Like I don't know. Like, I'm not super impressed. I thought that Visual Studio will be like the answer of life, but no. I prefer Eclipse. Way faster so far. Logic inactivity. Done. Should be good now. No? Action. What's your problem? You don't know that? Could not be found. Okay. That was easy. Length. Don't have length. Register click. Oh, flash event. Okay. Model sound. That goes there as well. As a pop-up UI, probably because the UI base here doesn't have that. Is that it? This. UI base. I'll just do this one. I probably need this one as well. Those are the for the level editor though. I have a bunch of function that's needed only for the level editor. Matchmaking, waiting. Okay, so I'm gonna have a lot of them to check out. Fuck. Everything is interconnected. Oh, come on. Float. F. Alright. Okay, so here's a little chest for you, and also my question has been answered. Let me look. You should have just gotten an hologram keyboard instead. Yeah, right? Talking about feedback. I'm probably gonna have like 0 feedback with a hologram one. Don't use MonoGod anymore. Use Xamarin Studio, updated version of MonoDev. Ah, okay. How is it? Xamarin Studio, never heard of that. Given your current rate of work for these tools that need to be done, will you make the deadline in time, or think you will have to rush to finish it last minute? I think I'm still gonna have it done. Yeah, I'm still gonna have it done in time. I have a lot of weird stuff to do like this, but my main problem, I thought like I will be good by the end of October. Now we're almost midway to November, it's not done yet. But the main reason is I decided to say, okay, fuck off, I'm gonna work on my tools. So I made a lot of cleaning shit up, making tools, making better tools. Like for example, the past week was all about making tools. And I think that the week before that was pretty much the same thing. Again, you know. So yeah, basically it's all about that. And one of my tests too now, because now I will have like a build in Unity and a build working in Unity and everything. And I'm afraid of working in Flash, and then converting back to Unity, you know, and still doing like this. It's gonna be a nightmare to do that for real. It's not really a cool thing to do, to always, you know, convert from Flash to Unity. Not a nightmare, that might be a bit too much, but still, it's not going to be super easy to do. Okay, so now, the work I'm doing right now is about like 90% of Just Shapes and Beats. The rest that needs to be done for Just Shapes and Beats is constructing the levels. And constructing the levels is more about the feelings, more about putting the enemies on the screen at the right place and everything and blah blah blah. And everything is independent. So, meaning if I make a new level, I can code the enemy for that particular level and just, you know, bring the assets and everything will be working pretty easily. So adding more levels, even if I do the level in Flash and convert that to Unity, that should be good. But, yeah, I just wanted to, for the first time, try to make a very beautiful and clean environment in Unity. Like a clean build in Unity. Do the best I can in Unity to try to see if I can switch and just like coding in Unity and animate in Flash, you know. That is why also I have worked on my tools that much. Because if I do choose this pattern... if I do choose that, I need like very good tools to convert my animations from Flash to Unity, you know. So that's the entire thing. That's a lot of ramblings for. So the short answer for meeting the deadline is yes. I have no choice. I will do it. Fuck it. I will do it. You know. I will have to work on weekends if needed, but I need to do it. You know. That will be done. As for the longer answer on why I chose to do all the tools and everything, it's just I want to give a big chance to Unity and see what I can do with it. You know. They're good now? Yeah. Okay. Swap it out. I don't have the logic in it. Yeah, I thought I had. What's your problem then? Okay, it's just not reloaded, I guess. Okay, so here I want to remove this one and just do a debug. No, actually, I kind of need it. But if I start in there, I want to go down a rabbit hole, so I don't want to. No, even better than that. Yeah, okay. Better than that. It's not there. Oh, I don't have the latest code. Yeah. Okay. So I basically need to do. This is all the ass. Yeah. Ass. This is all the ass. The AS, like, not the ass. So it's this and this and this and USB. Okay. Boom. We want to merge. Yes, merge. And also I want to move and replace. So do this for the next conflict. Move and replace. Yes. Okay. Flash is gonna, not Flash, but Unity is gonna. What's the most recent earworm that you have heard? You have had a song or tune that gets stuck in your head? Fuck, I had one recently. Which one was it? Ah, it makes no sense, but it's the Family Guy songs. My Black Son, My Black Son. I don't know why, but we, like, me and Mark started to sing that song. For no reason. I don't remember sleeping with that woman, but I did. My black son, my black son. I don't know the rest of the song. It's like it's very freaking. Also, he's a ninja. Yeah, I had that in my head. I don't remember sleeping with that woman. Look at that, like every time I add a new class I have to reload all, and then it shows like updating. Oh, you were talking about Xamarin Studio, by the way. What is that? Xamarin Studio? Is that it? Can download the Xamarin to write around an easy part and organize it more. Okay. What the fuck is that? Yeah. Native access, blah blah. Okay, but like, can you show me like a support something? Developer. But is that like the new mono develop? That's what he said, right? Mono game. Wow. The Vasectomy Family Guy song. Yeah, that's like the quartet, right? The barbershop quartet, I believe. I don't know the song though. I know what you're talking about, but I cannot do the song. Come on. I could have converted everything though, instead of just doing it like this. I could have selected everything, just like said, convert! I would have done the same thing. Yeah. But now I kind of in the middle. Okay, let's continue then. That's usually how I do it. I click on the big folder and just said like, convert! And I convert everything. Now what's the UI option? So I'm gonna need all those. Boom. Nice. Shut up. Pop up new. Those three. Boom. And also in your all matchmaking waiting. Voila. Reload. Yeah, barbershop quartet song. That's actually like a barbershop quartet songs are something that I really enjoy. Like the you're gonna laugh, but I take a look at my enormous penis. I like that song just for the quality of the voice of four guys like talking, not talking, but singing like that. Like I really like the result of barbershop quartets. It sounds great, but I don't have the. I sing barbershop. Oh my god! Slow down, you kids. Okay, so there's two of us. We need two more. You're kidding me. Have since high school. You're kidding me. You need to teach me, man. You need to teach me. We need. Okay, so we need two more. Who gonna take? Slow down, you kids. I can sing a bit. You know. Do I have the song here somewhere? Hang on. I made a song for. Oops, I've put an extra H. Oh, it's actually a good one. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, I made a song like in about 30 minutes with my very mic, the microphone, my laptop microphone. So the quality is very bad, but it's in French too. I can translate the I can translate it afterwards. Hang on.
Je veux vous parler de ma team préférée. Ce sont les champions, ma source d'inspiration. Ils ont commencé leur 7e année. Occasion de célébrer. Composé d'Alex, Dominique, Yoann et JP. De pur talent, de vrais génies. On peut compter les fans de leur création. Par centaines, milliers, par millions. Je veux vous souhaiter une excellente année, de la gloire, de l'argent, faire des jeux c'est pas évident. Tout le monde le sait, vous allez torcher.
Jubela, jubela, juicy, jubela, jubela, juicy, bass.
Joyeux anniversaire.
So that was my gift to Juicy Beats for their 7th birthday. I really love the song. Composé d'Alex, Dominique, Johan et JP, de pur talent, de vrai génie. Didn't I put the... No, I don't see it. More. Ah, voilà. Description over there. The lyrics are right over there. So I want to talk to you about my favorite team. They are champions, my source of inspiration. They just started their 7th year occasion to celebrate. Composed of Alex, Dominic, Johan, and GP. Pure talents, pure genie, real genies. Not genius, but geniuses. We can count their fan by hundreds, thousands, and millions. Tabarnak! I want to wish you an excellent year. Glory, money. Making games is not that easy. But everyone knows it. You're gonna rock. Jubada, jubada, jubilee, happy birthday. Yeah, that's about it. Composé d'Alex, Dominique, Johan et JP, de pur talent, de vrai génie. Alright, next. I don't have meta song. Say what? I don't have meta song. I will need all those shit. Maybe not that one. Maybe yes. Oh yeah. This is my new favorite thing. Woo! That outro is everything. Replay song, new sub song. Well, you can just go over there. It's on SoundCloud Latch with 4H. Apparently. There we go. Share this. Latch and friends. Boom. Download it. And also, fun fact, guys. Every time I heard that song, I was hearing it on SoundCloud and everything, you know, but if I go to the end, the next song is always the same. Which makes fucking no sense, but I was like, that's a fucking cool song. And I actually put that up in my list of Josh Gibson Beats songs. I swear this is how it happened. Wah, 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 wah. La 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 la. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Okay, trying to sing dubstep isn't the best idea. A little chest for you guys. So yeah, that happened for real. At that song, I was like, that's a freaking cool song. And I ended up looking at SoundCloud on more songs, and I found a couple of more as well. One that I found the song for the final boss of the game. And I was like, that is fucking perfect. I need it. So yeah, that's all in SoundCloud. Let's put some Family Jewel backs. Wah! I replayed a song for Anya. You should make an album of party songs. Nice! I love to sing, by the way. I like to sing all the time. I sing like freaking all the time. And I see it with my kids. My kids are always like, my oldest daughter is always singing. And I'm like, why are you singing all the time? And I'm like, oh, yeah, that's right. But I'm not good at singing. You know, I can sing in tune, like keeping the, you know, trying to sing with myself in harmony. I can-ish do it, but I can be better. And I'm like, how could I be better at singing stuff? Because I like to sing stuff. I don't know, Brian, if you hear that, but I actually made the Mega Man Snake song. Where is it? Oh, come on. I thought it was here. It's not there. Oh, maybe here. Is he here? Yes! Yay! Okay, listen to that. That's me singing with myself with a with again the my laptop's mic. So quality is bad, but is it me or no? Yeah, my fucking mic hates. Yeah, I don't hear you. Fuck, I've broken my mic already. Anyway, that was it. Oh, can you... Woo! Hads TV's following the channel. Welcome aboard. I don't know if it was my terrible singing. Oh, fuck. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Bistress following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much. Okay, so I am... And also, Sir0858 is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. My sound is terrible now. Maybe your sound was terrible as well. I don't know. But okay, so I'm gonna put some music and I'll try to fix my sound. And I clicked the microphone. Whoops, sorry. Now I'm back. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fix the sound again, guys. You should be hearing music right now. You should. I don't. Okay, hang on. This is my favorite song of my enormous piece. I'll check it out later. Ask your brother-in-law to teach you. That's a good point, actually. That's a very good point. Dope. Dope. I'm a sucker for people putting their ring into video games music. You like a more handsome, smooth the groove. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! So beautiful. Don't tell Smooth I said that. I just saved. That's it, man. And also sound fancy with my French accent. Oh, Brian, voulez-vous coucher avec moi? What the best song you have done is my song. Yeah, right? Hi, a monkey man. 15-2. Okay. Yeah, you should have some sound. Let me try to fix that up. So I don't know. I don't know if this is plugged. I don't even know if this is plugged in. Can I hear something here? Nope. Nope. There will be lots of notes again. There will be lots of knobs. I think you can hear it. Volume playback. Yeah, push that to default playback. Good. Not default playback though. It's not the USB. This one. Wow, I think I broke stuff. Fuck. Shit. Did I broke everything? I think I broke everything. Yeah, I believe I broke everything. Okay, are you still here? I think that was horrible for you guys. And if so, I think I'm gonna close the screen. I'm gonna close the stream and try to figure that out before and then go back online. Because I saw my, the line goes like, on the maximum. Oh lord, oh yeah, okay, it's coming up, it's coming up. People, internet hate is coming up. Yes, you did. Oh my god. That was either not your glitch or at least or a decent Skrillex song. Beautiful. Okay, let's do that, okay? I'm gonna be right back, alright? Because my audio is just fucking nuts. Actually, hang on. Okay, I can hear now. I can hear music. I can hear stuff. It's just that my audio is very bad. So I'm gonna keep up with my bad audio. So it's only me. So I'm gonna keep up with bad audio, and I'll fix that up after the show. Hey, we're gonna do a little quick call with Kojak, guys, by the way. A little quick call with Kojak.
Yo!
Hey, Shane, we're live, by the way, my friend.
Oh, shit, really?
Oh, yeah. I didn't even tell you. It's like, hey, we're live. By the way.
Oh, God.
How's it going, man?
Let me pull up your Twitch. I was up very late last night.
Oh. What happened? Did you do cocaine again?
No, I was watching the election.
And then you did cocaine.
I did a lot of cocaine.
So yeah, you're welcome to go on my on my mat, man, on my mattress, on my I got an extra room if you want to come to Canada. I got some extra room, but you have to watch ads.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Put some pants on.
Do you see my screen, by the way? I just share my screen with you so you can see stuff.
I see your
screen. Can see stuff. I can see screens. Okay, I'm gonna project this so you can see even better. Voila! Oh my god. Hang on.
Fantastic.
Okay, so some bottle here. I'm gonna open source. I'm gonna open this. Blah blah blah. So basically, what I think is a good idea is fuck the balancing XML for that. We can just hard code stuff, and just gonna put it like here in the model map. That's probably what you had in mind already, but yeah, just put something here, just like 0.5. Yeah.
That is exactly. I told Etienne that was exactly what you were gonna suggest.
Yeah. Good. So just something like that, and then I don't know. Is it in the model house? I believe that the reward is done.
It's like it's
model
somewhere.
map. No, I think it's meta map spot.
It might actually be model map. Because we create the reward for a boss when we build the boss.
In the model map. Model map.
I think it might be.
I know that I finally found it. Calculate difficulty. Get area clear. Get wizard boss. Ready to fight battle. Is there like orbs? No, it's not there. I think it's in meta map spot or something. Meta map spot.
Actually,
Orbs.
I know how to find it.
Orbs, no. Okay, I'll
Model
go
map
back.
spot.
Model map spot? Ah, there we go.
Yep.
Model map spot here. So
Create boss reward.
you're faster than I. I'm fired. All right, so
I just
there we
went
go.
to the bonus, and I searched for where we use get or add orbs.
Ah, okay. So yeah, basically instead of that percentage here, you just do meta. I think meta house, meta map spot, meta, and probably model map. I guess model map spot,
What?
and model map. And
Percentage.
then, yeah.
Percent. Ah, orbs for difficulty. Gotcha. All right.
Here. So just like this, and everything will be working properly.
Fantastic.
You can even
I
do
that.
like a get percentage orb, something like that, like this, and then this return the proper number. If you just in case that we want to do some mumbo jumbo, but
Some magic.
yeah, for example, if we want to say like, okay, if it's not specified, just return index multiply by 50%. But you know.
Yeah.
So.
Sounds good.
All right. Did you just wake up or?
Yeah, actually, I woke up. Well, not just wake up. I woke up probably an hour or so ago,
Okay.
and just had like 3 or 4 messages from Etienne. And it's like, "Hey, hi, how's it going?" I'm like, "Oh God, I'm so sorry."
Well, as long as the job is done, man. As long as the update is done, we have nothing to tell.
Yep, I get to set my own hours.
Sweet. So yeah, that update will be huge again.
Yeah, this update is gonna be ridiculous. Like,
Yeah.
oh my God, the birds are just losing their shit. Yeah, this update's gonna be massive.
Yeah. Can't wait.
Yeah, neither can I, because I really hope it'll give people quite a lot to work towards, and then it'll give us some breathing room so that we can make some
Yeah.
more content.
Yeah, totally. I wish I could show you the where am I with Just Shapes and Beats. Damn.
Why can you not? is
Because
it
I'm
just
in
not
the
combined?
middle. I'm in the middle of converting a bunch of classes, so they have like a shit ton of error.
Oh yeah,
Probably
yeah,
cannot
yeah.
do this. Yep, I cannot. Wait. Meh, I'm gonna show you later on.
Sounds good. How's it coming along?
Doing good. I mean, every 5 step, I'm like, okay, now converting time, and then I see that little thing. I was like, I can fix that thing, you know, I can fix that tool. So I'm always working. I always prioritize my tools before Just Shapes and Beats for this particular moment, because I might have to. I want to see if it's possible to just use Unity and not use Flash as a coding IDE, so still use Flash as animation, but I want to see if the back and forth it makes sense. So I just want to make all my tools like a big highway of converting my stuff, and everything goes super fast and everything, and see if it's enough, you know.
I get you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's definitely quite a lot that we can do with if we use Flash as our animation tool,
Yeah.
one thing that I've been really wanting to, or really thinking about, but there's just no use for it, is adding something like events to the timeline of an animation that you can actually use to trigger callbacks in the code.
Yeah. Well, the same way we do callbacks right now, right?
Yeah, exactly. But you would actually define the location and the frame within Flash instead of like within your code.
Oh, okay. Well, I prefer the other way around though. Like since day one, I always wanted to separate the animation from the code, and that's why I inject code on. Like I have an observer that check every frame. Is it the proper frame? Yes, call the event, and not the other way around. Because in Flash, there's some way to actually put code inside the timeline. But I always wanted to separate as much as possible the code and the animation.
Oh yeah, if we had gone with that route where you actually put code inside Flash itself, there would be no way we could do what we're doing right now.
Yeah, totally. So I prefer to have like a layer on top of the animation that observe what's happening in there and says like, okay, like for example, I have a logic callback where it just verify if the current frame is higher or equal a particular frame, and that's it. So it's just comparing two ints together, so it takes 0 time. And you can inject callback in there, So it does the same thing in the end, but it separates the visuals and the code.
Yeah, that's it was super handy when working with Infernex because I used that so much for enemies.
Yeah, the callbacks.
Yeah, it's just even because I think you did. I'm not sure which one came later because in Infernex you can actually go into the anim component and say register callback on frame, but in Zombital you actually have to create logic callback on frame and add it to that itself.
Okay, yeah. Well, you can always just add that function to the Flash animation view actually, because I don't like the Flash animation view. I don't like it at all. It does way too many stuff, and I really don't like it. So. It's one of my least favorite. Like, look at the amount of fucking variables is there in there. That's way too much. So that has to be refined. It does way too much stuff. But you could have something that says like another function that says a little shortcut function that says add callback at this frame, and you send a callback and everything. But hey, good guy, thanks. But it actually do something else, like it called something else just to add there. But yeah,
I haven't needed to do that in Zombital, which is I haven't needed to do that like at all. But in Infernex, it's like every enemy has things that have to happen on certain frames of the animation.
Yeah, totally. Well, Zombital is this guy's sprite sheet, right? I mean, it's something very data. It's an interface game. I'm not saying it's boring, but I'm saying like it's just an interface game. So there's like almost nothing based on the interface except some sounds here and there, but that's it.
Yeah, the data layer that exists behind the game is what runs everything.
Yeah. Shit, that's why it wasn't working. That is why. Want me to leave you alone, or want to stick around?
Yeah, I can stick around.
Yay! I want to put some music back though. Usually. So you're working on Zombital right now?
Yep, I'm just doing the really quick shortcut you suggested here for the maps.
Okay. Where's UI base?
This is actually something that somebody, or not somebody, but I've seen suggested on the subreddit a couple of times. Ooh, interesting. What do we do for the map event?
What is it, by the way?
Oh, sorry. I trailed off there. The changing the scaling for orbs based on the world itself. I think the suggestion that I saw on the subreddit was each world multiplies the number of orbs you would get in a drop by its index. Well, so World 1 wouldn't change, World 2 would be literally double what World 1 is, but...
That's exactly what we do, though. That's exactly what we do. Like, your first one is, So, yeah, we just answered that thing. That's cool.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. That works.
Sometime we listen. And
Sometimes.
you know, it doesn't have any ads in there.
God damn it.
We could put
I
ads
love it.
in. How about we put more ads in?
More ads. But yeah, I don't think it's going to be double. I think it's going to be 50% more.
Well, the first one is 50%, and then it's another 50%, so it doubles. You know? So, I mean, the second world is twice as much as the first one, and the third one is 3 times as the first one. So it does. Doubles. Whoa! DJ is now following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Okay, I need to restart Visual Studio. I'm lost.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying now. God damn it. Yeah, the first one doesn't change, but the second one is like actually double.
Yeah.
Yep.
More Alpha 79 saying more ads keep Flash alive.
Oh god. Actually, I just saw something on the subreddit today. I was just glancing at it. Yeah, somebody posted Flash might actually be dead, and I actually have not. Oh, okay. Chrome began automatically blocking Flash.
Okay, yeah.
Meh, that's something we knew was gonna happen.
Yeah. Meh, I don't know how browser will react. Not browser, but how big guys will react. Because they tried to do that already a bunch of times. But then, like, people who use Firefox, for example, was trying to go to their favorite website, and their favorite website wasn't working. And people that don't know internet much, they're not gonna blame like the website. They're gonna blame Firefox. You know, like all my stuff doesn't work anymore, so I'll go revert to Internet Explorer or revert to Chrome or whatever. So I'll just change around. You know. So I don't know. I don't know how this time they will do it.
Yeah, there's way too much money in Flash for it to just suddenly stop working.
Yeah, exactly.
And the only reason why it's a security vulnerability is because people make absolutely horrible ads that are coded within 5 minutes that trash your browser.
Yeah.
That's what people want to get rid of. People don't want to get rid of Flash that works really well.
Yeah. I mean, whatever replacement they will have, it will still. I mean, that won't fix the problem that there will be bad coder.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
So what the hell? So where are you?
Actually have
Why don't you see that? I don't understand. It's right fucking there, so.
Oh. I will have to poke Etienne because the orbs per difficulty level is not 0.5.
Or?
Yeah, it is 1.01.
1.01?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that? I compiled it on my side and it was 0.05.
Let me see if I have something to pull, because... Or maybe it's the, You know what, maybe it's the...
Ah! Damn it! Sorry, this is Sniper. Okay! Let's join the battle! Woo! Look at all those emotes! Yes, there you go. All the fudge. Thank you very much, Cricket! Wow. Sorry, it just like really blasting my ears again. You know, the usual,
hey.
You know.
Cricket.
Beautiful. La 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 la. Ba da ba da ba da ba. Okay, I want to fix those. I don't know why the rest doesn't work, so I'm just gonna fix those first.
Oh. Yep. You are correct. It's 1.01 in game constants, but it's
Yeah.
0.5.
Yeah,
in
game
the
constant
balancing.
is not. Should be removed, I guess. Gonna do float and int. Oh, come on. La, la, la,
Yeah, well,
la,
if it's
la,
0.5, then I
la,
think
la.
we're good to go.
Good to go, as in it's all done.
Yeah, I just made the change for the model map, so... I just want to double check.
Nice. Will you be able to push the thing to fuck. Test flight?
Yeah. Etienne wanted me to send him a build as soon as I
Oh,
can.
yeah, sure. Do that first.
Oh, and I still have to fix the world map thing.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure why. I just all of a sudden, if you go to the world map and come back, it crashes for some stupid reason.
Okay. Whoa, that class didn't work at all. No, yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna add your check in there and just like 10 frames later or something, just
Yeah.
make it unload the world map.
Okay, did you try it?
Not yet.
Okay.
I got your suggestion last night, and then I finished up with the balancing tweaks, and I'm like, I'll
Okay.
do that tomorrow.
Okay, yeah. Sure thing. Okay, I need Metaspawn. I need all this shit actually. Do I? Time lapsing as real position? Yes, I do. Boom. Wow, 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 baby, wow. Ah! Oh, you the nation! Because why not? The nation train! Choo choo! Thank you very much, Frank! Wakes me up. First the nation of the day, oh yeah. I love that song. Thank you so much, man. Thank you very much. This money will go into making more ads. I'm gonna buy more coders to put more ads in the game.
Replace all textures with ads.
Wow.
No more sprite sheets.
No more sprite sheets. Only ads. Okay, so what the fuck is going on? If I do this, well, it works. Yeah. What about this one? This one doesn't work. So this one you don't like. Why? Load data, unexpected end of pattern. What the fuck? That's that thing here. Hang on. Did I? Now I'm stuck with that. Fuck. If
What have you done?
yeah, I broke stuff.
No more sprite sheets, only Zool.
Only Zool. Nice. Okay, I'll just do
Love it.
Shut up. Why? Stuff is broken. Stop. I click on something else. Come on. Quit. My drink went up my nose. Stop being funny. Woohoo! Latch trying to entertain and drown people in distance. Ah! Woo! Oh man! Thank you so much. Out of nowhere, out of randomness. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, you get them all. Terminator of the month. Get them all. Woo! Look at the face. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much, man. We're gonna have those features. So the next feature will be what? Converting everything to Game Wisp? You think we could do that? That's something I was thinking about asking Peter if we could do something for that.
What's up now?
The you know, changing Patreon for Game Wisp because Patreon is not working.
Yeah, Patreon is frustrating.
Yeah. To say the least.
Yeah.
Like, once again this week it was like, hey dude, the Hall of Fame doesn't work anymore. It was like, why? And the refresh token, access token just changed. So
For no reason.
for no reason. So, you know,
God.
that plus the fact that people subscribe but are not into the Hall of Fame, plus the weird linking thing, there's just way too much, you know. So I think that we can just like remove that and keep the rest. Just keep the rest for you know, all the manual stuff can stick there, but
Yeah, and the manual stuff is all just Google Sheets.
yeah, exactly. Okay, so you all in order, you don't have something that's called Concat. Why so? I thought you had something for that. Creation of Concat.
So I made the change.
Yeah.
Bosses in World 4 are still only dropping 400 orbs, and the difficulty is 800.
400?
They should be dropping 1600.
Why? 16?
Yeah.
Hang on,
Oh, that's interesting. The difficulty is 152.
I request a day of streaming ads. Oh, thank you very much, the Iron Horse. Sorry for streaming when you're here. By the way, Kojak. Oh, it's time for you. It's time for you, Jess. I request a streaming ads. Oh man, that would be awesome. A day of streaming ads. Why not? Thank you so much, guys. That's out of nowhere. Liar Fish is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so Unity, where are you? Unity, there. And then just ships and beats. Where are you? Just ships and beats, Unity, yes. Yeah, I had the concat over there. So, you were saying?
Yeah, sorry. I'm just like speed running through bosses to see what the numbers are.
Sure.
But you guys were talking about having the orbs be tied to the level of difficulty of the map spot, correct?
Of the model map, not the map spot, the model map.
Yeah, it's because the orb percentage was orbs per difficulty level, correct?
Hang on. I'm not sure if I follow.
Because the difficulty of the map spot that I'm on
Yeah.
is I'm just on map 4 right now, and it's 800. The bosses themselves, it's going off of the boss index when it calculates orbs per difficulty.
Ah, okay, I see what you're talking about. But if you look at my screen,
I am.
boom! Yay! You can see that I got some shards. There's some bits. Okay, so you got a boss 80, right? Come on, 80, right? The boss index is not 80, is divided by 5. And even like a little bit less, because the boss index, like, you have a boss on difficulty 5, and then another one on difficulty 10, and then on 15, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So on the 5, the boss index is actually 1. on boss 10, the boss index is 2, you know?
Yeah. Yep.
So if you go like 800, you do minus 50, because before 50 you have nothing, it gives this, and then you divide by 5, so it gives you this, multiply by 4, should give you 600.
Multiplied by 4?
Sorry, not 4, 2, you're right.
Yeah. Okay, so if the numbers are what they should be, then I just was under the assumption you guys were wanting to work on something different. But yeah, so I made the change. So World 4 and 5 should give 2 and 2.5 times what World 1 does just by default. So
sweet, exactly that. So what were you talking about?
When I was looking at it, I saw that it wasn't going off of the actual difficulty value, it was going off of the boss index, and I just wanted to make sure that that was the way that we wanted it to work.
Okay, yeah. Well, the boss index is calculated on the difficulty value anyway.
Yeah, but like you said, it's divided by 5. So yeah. I was under the assumption that you guys wanted it to be like, for World 4, because it's multiplied by 2, that instead of getting 400 per boss in that area, you wanted to get 1,600.
Okay. No, it's just like, this is exactly, again, if it's 800, you do minus 50, and then you do, fuck. So this divided by 5, that's the boss index, so usually you're gonna just get 75 on this level. So on level 800, you get only 75, if it was on model map 1, for example. But if it's on model map 2, I'm gonna take this, blah, 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 blah.
Gotcha, but now we're giving 400 as opposed to 75.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a build and send it to Etienne.
Whee!
Oh, and this will really help us when we do the Christmas update too, because we can make the Christmas world much better.
Yeah, that's a good point.
You know, we could also do it might totally fuck with everything, but we could do a skull multiplier as well.
Yep. As well. You are correct, sir.
Indeed. Oh yeah, and I gotta uncap Carl. Free Carl.
Free Carl. I love that free call. Mimia! Choo-choo! Mr. Rex! Choo-choo! Mr. Rex, thank you very much for that jump scare. Once again. Because I like jump scares somehow. Oh, and also, guys, I forgot to totally mention Movember. We totally did nothing for Movember. Last year I had like, if we reach that amount, I'm gonna shave everything except my mustache. And that create like hilarious moment. It was very beautiful. If I opened, my wife didn't like that at all, but I did. That was my face last year. Guys, by the way. And we got 1,000, I believe, last year. We went up to 1,000. So we should do something similar. I didn't prepare anything for that, but we should do something similar. Since you guys are just like sending money in my face, I want to make actually something out of it. So, okay, this month, I don't know how much I got this month. Let's say I got what we have today. It's a little bit more. So I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna say like, shave your face. Well, I'm just gonna say Movember. Change Rafat is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much. Mustache. Alright, there we go. So I'll do like this. Apply and save. That should be good. So on the next one, on the next animation, we should have a goal of 1,000. If we reach that, I'm gonna shave my face to look exactly like this, guys. It's gonna happen. I remember you shave over a bucket. Ah, yeah, I remember that. Wouldn't that map multiplier for Orb screw up Chaos Crest and the like? Nope. Nope. No, the Chaos Crest will still give you one more. Just like Chaos Chess will give you a absolute value, and what we are changing is the relative value. So.
Oh man, those event items that give you. Well, actually, I guess the one that people haven't used is the Easter one, but it gives you 20% more orbs. That's gonna be really.
Ah, sorry, man. For the coffee. Look at that mustache. Beautiful. Thank you very much, my friend, for the coffee. Oh man, people are generous today.
It's all good.
What did I do?
What have you done?
What have I done?
What has science wrought?
La, la, la. La 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 la. So you were scared. That's kind of the point, Dibs. That's the point of all those things. You know, I don't do much here as entertainment. I just like no, I say like for followers or for stuff like that. But. Okay, what I'm trying to say is I don't do much about, there's some channels I saw that if people, hey, Iron Horse, thank you, man. If people make, like, if people donate for subscription, they can hear a song or something like that. Or Revlo does that as well, like play a song whenever you want. And I was like, okay, that's way too much. It's gonna, like, no work was gonna be done if I do that. We're not gonna be able to focus. So that's why, like, at $5 and more, and the cheers as well. The cheers are very subtle, right? So if I miss one, I made it that way because I didn't want to stop the show every time and always stop focusing and everything. So that's why it's like $5. And so if you do donate that, I stop the show and just like, hey, you're the best. Berserk need to make their own ads and stream them all day. There you go. There you go. There we go. Let's do it.
What do you think the Berserk podcast is for? Yeah. Alright, I think Carl has been totally uncapped.
Ooh.
And then I'm going to send something to
Totally uncapped? Oh my god, I didn't know we were doing that.
Totally uncapped.
Oh my god. Ah! I want to see him shave and keep up the awesome work. Thank you, Alex, man. Thank you so much. Hang on. Somebody was saying something. You should twerk. You should twerk when somebody donates over 200. I heard that's how you find success on Twitch. Oh, if you say so. Then I want to do it, right? I actually almost twerked on the show already. It was on the episode where I do mocap for Just Ships and Beats. So I kinda twerked already. Kinda-ish. Please don't judge me, Mom.
Oh, I'm not judging.
I'm just gonna tell my mom. I'm just gonna tell you, Mom.
Yeah.
You know what your son does? No? I heard he's very popular and everything. No, he's twerking. Oh my god! It's all the twerk. Ah, where's my tool now? Why is my tool not there anymore? Ah. Okay, I want to remove those. Bye-bye. Throw new exception. It's actually not implemented exception. Voila. Save. Let's go back here. Thank you for rounding it off. Nice. My son is working hard. Well, close. Is that like 2? Oh, fish moly. Whoa, that's a big emote. I didn't know that emote was there.
Holy shit.
What?
The first boss of World 5 is dropping 800 orbs.
Nice. What's the difficulty of this one, by the way?
1500.
1500? Okay.
Of the first house, yeah.
Shit, okay. I'm not getting close there. So, okay, hang on. I'm gonna try to guess how much he gives. If he does that, I'll be happy. Barn Slay Tone is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. So, 1500 minus 50 is equal to that shit. Divided by 5 equals this. Multiply by 2.5. Whoa. That doesn't work. Hang on. Minus this. Divided by 5. Multiply by 2.5. Oh, is it my point doesn't work or what? What? The point doesn't work? Is my keyboard broken or what? Come on, point 2.5. Anyway, divided by 10. It should be 725. So maybe
very close. It was 816.
816. Do you have some crest or something like that?
I might have had a handful of crests, but I think the first one was like 801. Because that was actually the second boss that I.
Okay.
Oh, and also it's the first map spot. The first starting difficulty is 1500.
1500.
Yeah, so it didn't have to be minus 50. It just had to be 1500.
Yeah, but I think that the boss index is minus 50 though.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Could be.
I think it does. But that's okay. That's around the number I want. So.
Yeah, because there's a minimum level.
Yeah.
You are correct.
So that should be like maybe 1505, since the boss is not at the first one, it's like at the next one. Minus 50 divided by 5, multiply by 25, let me say like this, so 727. Oh, you have the wrong, oh okay, thank you Spambot. Thank you, I thought it was if I just do the standard or the scientific one. 2.5, ah okay, phew! Phew! Sorry. Because I thought it was my keyboard, because my Windows button doesn't work on my keyboard. I don't know why. But usually I was able to do some stuff with it, but I just pressed the Windows button and nothing happens. So it might be a case of I don't know. And there's also like a little round thing on the corner here. Like a scroll.
That's really weird.
Yeah. Yep. So I don't know. Do I have to do function? But yeah. So that's why I assume it was that problem. Okay. Next, let's go back here. Oh, I don't have effect. Okay. Ah. So what's the problem now? I have 2 times the tuto MC. Okay, that's weird. UI option new. Ah, okay, that's why. Fuck. What?
Oh, it's just very entertaining. I'm sure I make exactly the same sounds as I'm sitting here trying to figure stuff out.
Oh, okay. So my converter is not properly done then. That's why.
All the effort putting crafting 1,000 Chaos Crests will mean nothing once World 20 gives 100k orbs per boss.
Yeah, but we're gonna fix that issue when we'll get there. Because, yeah, now all the first ability you guys just did nothing. Well, yeah, you do alright, my friend, but it's something that will happen anyway. And who knows, maybe we're gonna do something that you can combine a couple of Chaos Crests into something else.
That's exactly what I was just thinking.
Yeah.
The easiest way to solve that is just buff the crests and gems a little bit so that it's 5 instead of 1.
Yeah, exactly. So we had that discussion actually with me and Etienne, saying like the potato, the little potato guy, the potato baby, should give percentage instead of absolute. So he was saying absolute value, like plus 30, because it was like, that's huge, you know. It was like, okay, that's huge now, but you have to sacrifice percentage, and percentage is good better, is good later. And we talked about a bit, and it was like, you know what, fuck it. If we want to change it, we're gonna change it later on. We're gonna make another recipe that converts it back to percentage. And the reason we keep that like this is percentage doesn't make a good wow moment. If you give like 5% of this value gives you something, it's not gonna create like a, oh my god, that's a lot, you know, unless it's like way a lot. So it's gonna create like a balance issue. But on the other end, you can give an absolute value, which gonna gives like a huge, oh my god, that's awesome moment, and still gonna fade off at the end. Still not gonna break the game later on, you know. So that's why we went to the absolute one. And in any case, if there's a problem, if in the end we want to go it back to a not absolute value, we can, you know, make more recipe about it.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a new follower on this. So Letarion is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. And Genjarico following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to do this instead.
Transition to end game.
All the sounds we make, right?
Yeah, I know, right?
Getter. Whoa.
Isn't there a dummy actor?
To get back on that subject of absolute versus percentage, talking to everyone, plus including you, Kojak, we were thinking about having an item that converts orbs value into skulls value. Like, for example, 1% of your orbs give you something, you know? And I told Etienne, it was like, okay, but right now I have 1 million orbs. So for it to make sense, you will have to give a card that gives you 0.00001% of, you know, gives you 1 million of skulls. So that would look like super bad, like what the hell is that bonus, right? But it's actually multiplied by 10, your skull value. So it's like, okay, right now it's almost impossible. Unless we do something that says like for each 10,000 you get 1%, something like that, you know. So that's just another way to say you get 0.0001%, you know. That would be a better way to put it, but still, it's just like on the first impression of relative value is very lame. The first impression is just like that card is nothing, but the absolute one is like, whoa.
Yeah. When Etienne proposed that to me, I was very, very on board with it. But the problem, like you said, is that in order to make it worth it, the value has to be so minuscule. Yeah. And then even if it's amazing, people are going to look at that and go, oh, that's trash.
Yeah, exactly. Again, I think that the other way that I just put it, though, instead of saying like 0.00 or something, if you say like for each 10,000 orbs, you get 1%. It's a bit better. You know?
Yeah.
So at 1 million orbs, you get 100% more. So it doubles it.
Yeah, I don't know.
That would be something.
I think the direction that we're going with a couple of the items that I don't want to spoil right now is
better.
Is a better direction.
Yeah, totally. I totally agree on this. You know.
Right now, I'm just adding the tweak for making the making the world map unload a couple of seconds later.
Ah, okay, good. Okay, so I do this, so I take the last part of this, and then I take this, so I took the first part of this, so that should be good, so it should be like this, 0, and now I need to trim it. Trim. Like this. So now I can do this. The fuck did I just do? Alright, good. Like this. And finally, the visual. So I basically need the same thing here. But there. Name of, I'm gonna say name of parent. Name of parent, like this. That will be line, and that will be return, like this. Yep, return. So this. The child by name. So name of visual parent.
What the fuck?
It's not my fault.
It's all your fault.
Stop screaming.
That is so fucking weird.
What?
So I did the thing where I unloaded the world map after about a couple of frames. I actually had to make it 100 frames. But for some reason, I'm back in the main area and the world map FLA is still loaded.
Okay, so there's definitely something bad with there.
Yeah.
I could take a look. Maybe not right now though, because it's 4:30 already, so I'm gonna have to close the stream pretty soon. But oh, push your stuff, man. Just do it. Just do it.
Yeah.
Come on, push it. Come on.
All right, everything's working.
What? Everything's working?
But yeah, I mean everything is working as in like I'm not halfway done through something.
Oh, okay.
So this is actually a good time to push everything. But yeah, no, you don't worry about taking a look at it like right this moment.
Yeah, I want to do it now.
You gonna do it right now?
Yeah, coffee.
Oh, all right then.
I'm there. I'm pumped. Let's go. Let's do it.
All right, hang on.
Let's do it.
I'd have to push.
Now,
so
Kodak, now.
New. Oh god, I'm doing it. Hang on. I'm sorry. Give me a second.
We don't have time for this.
We don't have any time.
I like how we can put some one-liner of action movie into code. Like, we don't have time for this shit. We have to do it
Get
now.
to source tree.
I like how, for example, I'm into Walking Dead these days, and I'm watching this with my wife, and we just laugh every time Rick says, "We have no choice," because he says like every fucking episode, and then we just laugh at that like every time, like, "Oh, we have to kill my son. We have no choice." We're like, whoa, hang on. How about we discuss about that? Maybe a little brainstorm, Rick. You know, just like you jump on the "we have no choice" all the time, and I wish I could say that all the time, like you know, on a day-to-day value, like, why are you doing that, Blatch? Because we have no choice. Like, whoa.
Are you just watching the first season, or are you all caught up
I'm on
with
the
everything?
7th.
Oh, okay.
I haven't watched the very last episode though.
I have not watched The Walking Dead since like season 2.
Damn. It's a
But I
little
already
bit slow at the beginning. I'm gonna confess, it's a bit slow.
But yeah, I know that there are so many good drinking games for all the seasons.
Yeah.
Like the season where they're on the farm anytime somebody says, "Carl, come back in the house," you'll have alcohol poisoning.
Slow down, you kid says Rick is good at drama and bad at math. Nice.
I like it.
Sorry.
All right. Still pushing everything. So many things to push.
Push, 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 push. Put a push, 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 put a push. Put a push, 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 put a push, 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 put a push, push, put a push.
God, this update is fucking huge. I'm just looking at the Swifts and FLAs and textures and everything that's changed, and I haven't even gotten to the code yet.
Sorry, what? I was doing something.
That's all good. I was just looking at all the stuff that's changed without even getting to the code and how much I have to push.
Ah, yeah. Whoa, my iPod is green screened. Look at that. Ceci n'est pas une pomme. I'm the famous painting.
Awesome.
You know that famous painting? Is that?
I do not.
No.
I have no idea what painting you're talking about.
Is that this one? There's Ceci n'est pas une pipe. This one, and this one's... Yeah, there we go.
Oh!
This one's a very famous one. Like, the guy just painted something with the fucking apple on top of it. Like, you just want to go, let me look at the face! And that was that. That was the, Oh, look at that! Isn't that the, It looks like the guy in, Brackenwood. I don't know if you know Brackenwood.
I do not.
What?
Does not sound familiar at all.
Dude! Adam
I'm sorry.
Brackenwood. Dude, we have to watch that right now while you're compiling stuff. I have to show you this. Like, back in the days, alright? Let's backtrack a bit. I'm actually gonna go on Newground to show this, to watch this. Because it has to be there. Brackenwood. That was back in the days when I was still in... Still in... there we go. Still, like, in college? I think it was still in high school?
Holy crap.
No, I was in college. Yeah, 2007, I was in college. But I was still looking at Newgrounds, like, every single day. And I was like, one day I will put my face on Newground and my game will be on the front page. That was, like, one day, you know, my dream. And that's actually led me to make my own company in Everton. So that was a long time ago. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, like Newground was a big, huge source of inspiration for me to just like create my, my own stuff and try to be popular, Not try to be popular, but try to, make games and show it to the world. And during that time, I wasn't into game development. I didn't even make my first game at that time. This animation came in. So... that was back when the Flash animation was pretty crappy and there was no new standard, everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it should be this one. Yeah, Adam Phillips. Old Latch, yeah, I know, right? Very old Latch.
Baby Latch.
You don't have the sound though, Kojak. But...
No, I do not, unless I... Oh, and for some reason, Twitch itself is totally muted for me.
Okay.
That's really strange. Let me reload Twitch here.
Oh man, that brings back so much memories. That was like the first animation that people on Newground was like, whoa, you can do that with Flash, And still, this is his first one. Now he made more of those, and they're even better quality.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
The sounds effects are great as well. I was rewatching this show just a month ago. So Adam Phillips is a very, very cool animator. Very good. You good?
Yep, I'm just double checking that I've pushed everything.
He's just an asshole.
Alright, pushing it right now.
Oh yeah, Monkey Man, I didn't know that. He's working on a series. I am. So because wow, if you can make movies like this, I wonder if anyone ever tried to make games with Flash.
God damn it.
I love you, Brian. I recall one where he's drinking the water and everyone's just peeing upstreams. Yeah. My favorite one is the music video. It's the music video one. I think it's one of his latest. Is it this one?
Alright, all pushed.
No. I know that he was working on a game at one point. I remember in my life I saw a game demo of the Dashkin. Like, I don't know if I can even say that, but fuck it, I just did it. It was like in 2009 or 10 or something like that, and I saw somebody saying that he was working closely with Adam Phillips on an actual game, but I never heard of that game after that. Is it Water Lollies? No, Water Lollies is the one that you were talking about. Yeah. Now you can see that his animation goes better and better. But I'm trying to find the is it the Yu? Yes. This one is based on the music on a music song. A music song. Yeah, it's based on a song. A music song.
Frodo just shapes and beats.
But look how better it looks right now.
Dude,
It's all in Flash.
that is gorgeous.
Yeah,
oh my
right?
god.
The guy has made some animation for Disney, I believe.
For who?
Disney. Walt Disney.
Damn.
Still remember the song. Everything is timed to the music. I love it.
Yeah, dude, that animation is beautiful.
And then it starts. You have to hear it with the music, Kojak, by the way.
Yeah, I have no idea why Twitch isn't playing.
Look at
this.
that, man. Look at that. It's fucking... It's fucking amazing.
I think Chrome might be broken.
What broke?
Chrome.
Chrome broke it?
Yeah, because I didn't have any sound from anything.
Flash is dead. Confirmed.
Yeah. Chrome is dead.
You can find it on YouTube as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that because I still am not getting any sound from anything.
It brings back so many memories. I was hearing that song in loop. I think I was working on Mechanical Commando 1. Like a long time ago, the very first game from Berserk.
Smoke animation is gorgeous. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, right? Look at that. Oh, it's just like...
It's beautiful.
Look at that. Nice. I love it. I love it. And I remember at one point he made something. He made one animation per day for a month. And
Oh my god.
yeah. And there's so much cool stuff in there. I don't know if I can still find that. I'm gonna put like a month. Probably not. Oh shit, he has a Patreon? Aw, and I didn't know that? Damn, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Dashkin dies in the end. What? I have to find out where it is. Fake animation, testimonial, course, something like animate, harmony, dashcam. What?
Oh my god, I bet you it's Skype.
What?
Because I just went and tried to listen to something that's not in Chrome and I still couldn't hear it. Audio settings. Skype, what have you done?
Was it?
I don't know.
Where was it? Damn it. Animation, I guess. What if I do animation? I'm gonna see like a fat sack falling up from animate to RV. I want to see the one animation per month. Because I do remember 2 animation in there. One that really got me, really like make me laugh. And the second one make me like cringe. It was like, ah, ouch. So yeah. Still remember.
Cringes in like from pain or cringes in like so awkward? Oh, okay.
From pain, yeah, not from disgusting or something. Oh, 30 shot in 30 days. I find it. Here. Full story. There you go. And okay. The first one is the ninja, but it has to be with sounds, but anyway, I'm gonna put it anyway. I hope it works. Okay, good.
Is anyone down here? Is anyone down here?
I really like this one. So maybe without the sounds you can see it, but like the guy says like, is anyone down here? The ninja has this code, like a really fucking long string, and he pressed the wrong button on the first digit. Like it's 131. It goes like 6. Boom! Just fucking explode. That really made me laugh. Is it the Razor one? No, it's not the Razor one, but this one is this one's gonna make you cringe anyway.
I figured it out.
Hang on. It's the dry lip, this one. Are you ready?
I'm ready. My body is ready. Oh god! What? That's horrifying.
And to this day, I see my dry lip, and I'm like, no, not touching it, no.
Oh god!
It's like straw. It's like a big triangle.
What movie is it? It's some horror movie. I think it's called Mirrors.
Okay.
But like, there's a scene where she's like being possessed by a demon, and she just like reaches in and grabs her jaw and just like slowly rips her mouth open. It just reminds me of that. It's so messed up. What the?
Yeah, it's one animation per day. Like, you did that. I will send that to the... That was a long time ago, but my brain, that doesn't remember my kid's birthday, remembered that. That and the songs and everything. I have a very good memory for. Yeah, it was in 2007. Look at that.
Crap.
I have a very good memory for musics and media. Oh shit! Yes, I want to become a Patreon. I'm gonna fucking do that later, man. Nice.
Nice.
Nice. All right. So stuff has been pushed.
Stuff has indeed been pushed.
Sweet. I'm sure he has, but if you ask me, what? Metagame progress and a bunch of other stuff. Okay.
Oh man, he's got 100 patrons. Or 120 patrons.
Yeah,
he's doing pretty good.
He's doing good. I wouldn't expect less. He's pretty big. You should watch the part 1. So there she is. To introduction yourself to it. To there she is. Oh, is that the? Hang on. Oh yes, watch there she is. Yeah, I think I can remember the song. That was a long time ago. It was like something like. It's something about like a rabbit and a cat. Is that it? I think so. Yeah, click here to start. Full version in HD. That's like unregistered. Okay, I want to change it for the full version in HD. Yes, I got it. Yeah, I got the song. I told you I have a good memory for songs. I haven't heard that for like the past 4 or 5 years.
Let's do it on the stream.
Forgot about that song. The guy's so into it. I wanna have to cut it, but yeah, I love it. Love it. That was a long time ago. There's a DPS bug. I say, click, say, there's about to be on the second island, HP, but when I attack him, I'll lose 1 HP off of him. Yeah, I think there's a. Are you still there, Kojak, by the way?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I think there's a little text, a little visual bug when you attack. I think it's always 1 less.
Yeah, I thought we fixed it when we did the new number system, but then I got more reports of it just like a day or so ago.
Okay. Hang on. Discard things. Boot. And I think I won't have time to look at your stuff. Hey!
No!
I spent too much time looking at animation that I have to go get my kids. Hang on, really quickly though. If I go to this, Zombital visual integrated starting and all visuals, all monsters. Check out Bitten Christmas. I will check that out. It's been a long, and that's from 2004. Damn, still totally worth rewatching. Yeah, totally. Internet history with Latin friends. Jingle plays. Internet history.
Internet history.
We could talk about the Joe. How is that called again? Like Joe Monster or something like that. The Joe cartoon. Like where you had like a hamster that goes down, then you press the numbers and it goes more and more down until you eventually.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah, it was.
I think it was like one of the first internet things. Okay.
It might be.
Okay, so I got all of that. And then it's dot plus K and B T Q Q do is against U and U and E. Okay. What about this one? Okay, is it on the same actually? Like how many? There's like 24 here. 24 here. There's 24 here, so there's 24 everywhere, but I really don't get it. So what about if I do this, this, and this, and just take this, this, and this, and take all of that into properties, graphic, play once, and I'm gonna do something like this. Actually, I'm gonna take those like this. Boom. I don't know if you see my screen, but just made a little something to see if everything is coordinate. Everything is the same, so I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure.
So you can see that every single frame is the same.
It might be that it's like
it must
it's
be the
supposed
code,
to be doing like E a value, and then it's just doing U instead.
Yeah.
Because it's only U.
Ah, okay, okay.
It's only when it gets to U that people are reporting that it's not doing as much damage as it should be or something.
Yeah.
But I can take a look. It probably is just an off by one thing in our number vector renderer.
All right. So anyway, I think guys, it's time to say goodbye. I have to go fetch my kids. Let's go punch somebody in the face. Who can we punch? How about hardly difficult? Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't punched him in the face. Let's do that. And also, it's my 3-month anniversary. All right, so I'm gonna host this guy and punch him in the face. All right, guys. So stick around. Next stream will be Friday. Kojaki will be there as well. Oh yeah, Kojak will be there for the Blizzard podcast and talking about a new update of Zombital. I can't wait to conquer those 2 new worlds that you have. I cannot wait. So, thanks for joining in, man.
Yeah, not a problem.
You're the best. If you need anything, I'll be around. No, that's not true. I won't be around tonight. Tonight is Gears night. I'm doing some rock climbing tonight, and then I do Gears of War.
Got a full schedule.
Yeah.
I think we should be good. The tweak that I made where it just unloads the world map like 100 frames later seems to work. So I think we're I think if Etienne says the balancing is good, we're good to push the update.
Good. So as soon as you can, like if Etienne says yes and everything, blah, 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 as soon as you can, if you can send it to a test flight so I can test it up. Because I play every day. Like I open Zombital about 5 times a day. So I want to tell you if something is broken.
Sounds good. I will push that as soon as I can.
And I'll get the update before everybody else.
More ads.
Riot for chess. Oh yeah, okay, a little chess before I go. So thanks, Go Jackman. See you Friday.
Yeah, sounds good. See you then.
And thanks to you as well, guys, for watching. As usual, the schedules are right over there. Don't forget to follow the channel. You know what's coming up. I'm gonna do it anyway. Bam.
Do it!
Follow the channel right now.
Just do it!
And also, you can rewatch everything on YouTube. I love you all, guys. You guys are the best. Especially you. Goodbye.